Rejuvenates.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Dear honorable colleagues, I am Honorable Matthew Omonade. Mr. Speaker, I represent Ughelino State Conference 1 and praises you, Mr. Speaker, Chairman House Committee on Public Petitions. Mr. Speaker, may I start by saying that with utmost humility to restate the immutable principle of law that as a committee we have consistently been restating that the burden of proof in any proceedings, be it civil or criminal, lies on the person who asserts and not on the person who denies. That even in fact, this principle of law has also been codified in our laws by virtue of section 131 sub 1 and sub 2 and section 132 of the Evidence Act 2011 as amended. Having established this position, what then is the gist of this petition? Which I intend to summarize. The petitioner is an accountant by profession, employed into the Delta State Government Civil Service, deployed to the Treasury Office at Agbo, where he functioned as a cashier of the Treasury Office. He woke up one morning in 2013 and alleged that there was an allegation that a certain amount of money have been misappropriated and embezzled under his stewardship. Even at the time when no step had been taken, he went into oblivion. And by virtue of Exhibit B1, the Treasury Cash Officer of that office raised an alarm, forwarded the reports to the Director of Treasury Department, Office of the Delta State Accountant General, informing him that the last time this petitioner was seen in office was on the 9th of April 2013. The said exhibit is dated the 17th of April 2013. Upon receipt of this document, Mr. Speaker, a query was issued, Exhibit B2, and directed that same should be said on this petition. Mr. Speaker, this petitioner was nowhere to be found. The Treasury Cash Officer forwarded a report, Exhibit B3, informing the Director of Personnel Management, Mr. Speaker, Mrs. G. Oko, of the fact that he has not been able to set this said report or the query on the petitioner. And in fact, he even called the petitioner on phone to inform him of the pendency of Exhibit B1, which is the Exhibit B2, which is the query that was issued by the DPM of the Office of the Accountant General. But he told the Treasury Cash Officer that he has gone to his village to treat an unknown ailment. Mr. Speaker, it is the case of the petitioner that he went away from office based on the verbal directive that was given to him by the same Mrs. G. Oko, who signed Exhibit B3, and that he was directed not to resume, to stay away pending investigation and pending further posting. And from 2013, 2014 till November 2015, he said he was allegedly reposted to one Ministry of Works where he worked for some days, and thereafter he was arrested and detained till December 22nd, 2015. And after he was granted bail in December 22nd, 2015, Mr. Speaker, this petitioner went incommunicado, and nothing was heard from him from December 2015 through till 2024, when the spirits in his father's kingdom reminded him of the need to put up this petition for his salary to be restated and for him to be returned back to service. What then was the defense put forward by the respondents? Clearly, from the totality of the evidence, let me summarize it, as presented by the petitioner and the respondent, Mr. Speaker, the committee came to the conclusion that the stoppage of the salary of the petitioner stems from his absenteeism from office without permission or without leave. And by virtue of Rule 04401, Mr. Speaker, of the Public Service Rules, it defines serious misconduct to include absence from duty without permission or leave. Mr. Speaker, Rule 04412 of the Public Service Rule 2012 now provides that an officer who absents himself from duty without permission, without leave, is liable to be dismissed. And that the burden is on such officer, Mr. Speaker, to prove that based on the circumstances, the ultimate penalty should not be imposed on him or her. In fact, in the case of Michael Okaka, as earlier reported, against the head of service of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the court held in that case, and that fact is on all fours to the fact of this case, that the petitioner who knew that his salary was stopped on sometime in May 2013 took no step, did nothing from May 2013 to 2024. Just the summary, the points that I sought to be made is that from the totality of the evidence as put forward in this report, Mr. Speaker, the petitioner did not justify the reasons why he was absent for a period of 11 years before he presented the petition, and the committee was not satisfied with the evidence put forward by this petitioner. And even in fact, as we have already noted, Mr. Speaker, a law is that he who comes to equity must come with a clean hands. These petitioner's hands are soiled beyond repair. And that's why we noted in our report that this Lazarus cannot be waiting. He should be allowed to continue to rest in peace. And based on the evidence as presented, Mr. Speaker, on the face of our report, we most respectfully urge Mr. Speaker and my dear colleague to adopt the recommendation as clearly reflecting on the face of the report, as that is the proper step to take in the face of the facts and circumstances of this matter. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and my dear colleagues for the opportunity. Most grateful.
Thank you very much, Chairman, for that wonderful presentation.
Oh, you're done already. I'm sure you liked it. Please leave your comments, like, and share this video. More importantly, please click on the thanks button so that you can support Jovenis TV to enable us create more content like you. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.
It's just, it's unique, it's versatile, it envisions, it's newsy, it inspires, it suits, it's Jovenis. A dual glossy magazine with educative and entertaining columns that reports contemporary issues, events, tells about individuals who can inspire positively, showcases latest trends in fashion, circulates all around Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, London, and USA. Jovenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199. Jovenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.